Today I'm going to show you how to make Instagram Reels. So what we want to do is post a reel, okay? So there are a number of different ways we can do this. We can come over here onto our profile picture on the bottom right, come in over here to this page, and now you will see there are a few different options. That's the grid view, and this is your Reels view. This is where all your reels will be stored. You can literally go ahead and click on create your first reel, or on the top left you'll see a plus icon. Go ahead, you can tap that too. It'll take you to the same page. Now here you'll see all the images that are on your device. You can see at the bottom it says reel, and it also says templates. Now if you use a template, it puts music, transitions, it adds in text overlays, filters, everything that you need to make it look really, really good. So let's go ahead and tap on templates. There we go, you can see a bunch of templates. So let's just say, for example, we want to use this one here. Tap on that. You can see now that you'll have the option to add media. So let's go ahead and do it. Okay, so we've gone and added our media. Let's go ahead and say next. You can see over here, you can add in text, stickers, clips, effects, overlays, captions. You can even record your own voice. You can put filters over this, and then you can import music directly here. Once you're done, you can go ahead and say next. Over here, you will now see that you can add a caption, you can tag people, add a location, some additional audience options, and then some additional options as to your sharing preferences and how others will interact with this reel. Now, there are two options. Once you're done, you can save it as a draft if you'd like to only post it at a later stage, or you can go ahead and tap on share and it'll post this immediately.